Hey there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn on autoplay on your YouTube. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides. First, open youtube.com in your browser and make sure you are signed in. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now select settings from the drop-down menu. On the left hand side, click on Playback and Performance. Here you will see an option that says Autoplay Next Video. Simply toggle the switch on to enable autoplay. Now YouTube will automatically play the next suggested video once the current one ends. A great way to keep watching without interruptions. If this helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.